Hey there folks, Peter here with BlackRock Business, and I am so excited that you showed up at our page today so that we can talk about this, the QuickBooks Point of Sale Barcode Scanner. We're going to get into some of the characteristics of this in a moment, but first I'm going to tell you to wait until after that because I've got some special bonuses in store just for you for buying this from us today. So, the barcode scanner. This thing is going to supercharge your efficiency and the speed at which your customers can go through your line, because you're going to go beep, 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 and it's just going to ring up every single product, whether it's with UPC or a tag that you printed out of your QuickBooks Point of Sale, and you'll give them their receipt and they'll be gone, and they'll be on to the next customer. It's going to be so fast and so cool. It is just excellent. All right. So we're going to cut because I'm going to show you one of the most important aspects of this excellent Honeywell barcode scanner, and that is the durability is insane. The durability of this and how long this is going to last your store is just ridiculous. And to show you that today, I am actually going to pound a nail into a board with this thing because it is so freaking durable. Yep, here we go. All right, now that we are done showing you how excellently durable this thing is and how freaking long it's going to last in your store because it's so darn durable, I am going to get on to the bonuses. The bonuses are super exciting. For purchasing this with BlackRock Business today, we are going to send you an invite to our Elite Insiders group on Facebook. That's right, the QuickBooks Point of Sale Insiders group for Facebook. In this community, you can go ahead and post any error message or workflow or training that you don't know how to do, things you're wondering about with QuickBooks Point of Sale. My name's Peter. I'm going to be your expert and I'm going to answer all your questions. We're going to come alongside of you when it comes to QuickBooks Point of Sale. We're going to hold your hand and make sure that you are successful in your retail situation, because I want you to be successful because then I'm successful. Does it make sense? So we sat around the table here at BlackRock and we were like, well, what else can we do for these people? They're going to pick up the hardware from us. We don't just want to say, see ya, have a good day, bye now. So we decided, besides the Facebook group to support your point of sale, we also want to cover the back end. What's the back end? The back end is your QuickBooks accounting that's latched onto your QuickBooks Point of Sale. A lot of people have no idea what they're going to do in there. So we said, what can we do? Let's go above and beyond at BlackRock. And then we did. We took our $600 a year training modules for QuickBooks accounting, and we decided we are going to give that to you for free today. If you pick up the QuickBooks Point of Sale barcode scanner today, we are not only going to come alongside of you for QuickBooks Point of Sale and answer all of your questions there, but we are going to hand you for free our 59-lesson QuickBooks accounting training. For free, that's right, for free. I'm going to say it 18 times because it is so exciting. Nobody's ever gotten this for free before until now. We are going to hand it to you, and you can use it in any of your questions for QuickBooks accounting. My name is Peter from BlackRock Business. Now I hope you have yourself an excellent day.